Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a fun little video. I decided to pick my daughter's first week of school outfits. This is going to be her first year in high school, so she'll be a freshman and she gets to free dress. So I was really excited and thinking, you know what, let me pick out what I think she would look good in for the first week of high school. So I decided to pick out 5 outfits. So hopefully she does like them. She will be modeling the clothes. So I did pick the outfits. I just let her choose how she wanted to mix match them when she wears them. So first of all, I'm going to show you guys the haul so you guys can see what I kind of get. So I went on Fashion Nova and I got her this blouse right here. It's a long sleeve shirt and I like it because it's like all the way down. It's a little long, so she can cover all the way to the back, and I really like it. It looks really nice and something I would definitely wear. So that's one of the pieces that I chose for her. I will also put all the information of the products that I chose on the down bar for you guys, so if you're interested in some of the pieces that I chose, you can definitely go ahead and check them out. Then the second blouse that I got her was this one, and I'm actually leaving them in the hangers. Well, let me take this one off the hanger so you guys can kind of see. It's off the shoulder. I like the color and the style of it. It's like a little crop top, and I thought she would look really cute on it. She can actually wear a jacket on top of it, since we're still like in summer and it's still hot. So I really like it, and I really hope she likes it as well. So the next one is another blouse, and this one is off the shoulder as well. It's a long sleeve and it's a crop top. You guys will see her try it on, and I really like it. It is so cute. The material is really nice. She could definitely wear this if it's cold or hot. She'll be comfortable wearing this, so I really like it, and something I would definitely wear if I was as small as she was. But yeah, we gotta hide the long house, right? So that's another one. Then I also got her a jacket. This one is a crop top jacket, long sleeve. I like the color. It's a light color. She'll be able to wear this with any outfit, any jeans or anything like that. So I really like that she'll be able to have a jean jacket that she can wear to school if she wants. Then I got her, I believe, 4 pairs of jeans to 5 pairs of jeans. I got her 5 pairs of jeans. So I got her mostly high-waisted jeans, just because I don't want her to have that problem where when she bends over to pick up something or she gets up and her butt's showing. So I like to get her high-waisted jeans, and I feel like they fit a little bit better on a person. Like we can hide more with high-waisted jeans. So I did get her these ones. I like the color, and these are distressed jeans. Mostly all of them that I got her are distressed jeans because I feel like those are in right now, so I want her to be like in style and everything. So I got her these ones. In my mind, these ones she can wear with a white top, her jean jacket. She can wear these jeans. She can actually fold this and wear some white Vans. That's my picture of her wearing them. So hopefully she does decide to take my opinion in consideration. So I picked these, and I will list all that information in the down bar for you guys. And then I also picked out these ones right here. They are high-waisted jeans, distressed jeans as well. They are skinny jeans. I like the color. Just a little bit darker. So I know she can get away with this one wearing any color of top with these ones. And actually, well, they do feel like they're high-waisted jeans to me. Actually, she can get away with it not being high-waisted. They do have pockets in the back as well. Then I got her 2 black jeans that she can actually high-waisted as well, and these are distressed. You can never have enough black jeans. I really like these ones. I'm actually thinking of ordering some on my size because they're really nice and they fit her so nicely. This is what they look like, and they have the back pockets as well. So yeah, this ones are very nice. I will list that information on the bottom bar for you guys as well. And then we have another pair of black jeans. These ones are not high-waisted. These are normal jeans with the buttons all right here. And then they are distressed as well, and they are skinny. So you will see her wearing that in the video. And then lastly, we have another jeans. These are light color as well. This is what they look like. They have the ripped distressed, and they are skinny as well, and they do have the back pockets too. So I will list all the information in the down bar for you guys. I do have a discount code with fashionnova. It's XO Miss Grace. If you guys are interested in purchasing any items from them, you can definitely use my code for some money off. I really appreciate you guys using my discount code. It just shows them that, you know, you saw the video that I posted and you used my discount code, and it just helps a girl out. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and if you guys want to see how my daughter wore the outfits, just keep on watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Let me know if this is your guys' first year as your kids going to high school, or have your kids been in high school before. Any tips and tricks that you guys think you guys can share for somebody that it's first time having a child go to freshman high school. Anything that you guys can give advice, that would be amazing. And yeah, just leave them down below so everybody else that has any, you know, questions or anything can actually, you know, benefit from it. And yeah, let me know also what outfits you like that I picked. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.